Hey guys, and I am back on my YouTube account. Oh yeah, I just went grocery shopping and this is for me what I bought. And we also bought some food. It's a K-Zone thickest issue ever. Zombie self with free K-Zone zombie tattoos. And we get awesome freebies here, but the price has increased for this month. You guys can't really see that. HD man. Oh, I'm not using my mom's phone. It's October 2012, 125 pesos. Yeah, it got increased. So this is what I bought a K-Zone. K-Zone, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Beat-a-bop, boop-bop, boop-bop. Jake the dog.